plan kami pumunta sa Rizal. Tawagan ko lang si Miss MQ. Hello, Mother? Miss MQ? Yes, kasi may nagtatanong po dito kung kung may plan ba kaming pumunta ng Rizal. Opo, tinatanong niya kasi tinatanong ko kung pwedeng kung pumunta kaming Rizal. Wala pa. Kailangan mag-ocular muna. Sige po, sabihin ko. Thank you. Wala pa daw. Mag-ocular pa muna daw. Anong oras na dyan? Para magkakulay na tayo na. Getting there. It's getting there. Oh, but if it's getting there, I spray oil. Getting there. She should cut it. Can you just cut it? O bakit? At least kami naglalaban ng mga panty namin. At least nilalaban namin, di namin sinasama sa pinapalaundry yan. Huwag mo na sabihin. O, isa pa.
Core activate.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6.
Ano? 5,
6, 7, 8. 8. Tapos yung paa gumagano na. Okay, from top.
Binibenta yan?
Dito na. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next na. 7, 8. Tapos yung paa gumagano lang. Okay, continuous. Tapos yung kamay. 1.
Wait lang. Ilang gaas? Ang sakit ng
1 and
1 and
2. 2? Oh. 1 and 2 and 3.
Wait lang.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
B?
1 and 2. Oh, parang make up.
Okay.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
And ano yung last?
And 4.
And ano?
And 4.
4.
Parang i-close mo lang yun.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3.
Oh, mali ka. Ito una sabi mo.
Ito. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6,
Ano?
5. Hair flip lang.
5. Wala kasi
6,
chichirya.
7, 8.
7,
8.
7,
8. Hit lang.
Wait lang,
Sa papantap.
Wag yan. May wipes sa loob. Nilagyan yan.
Hindi, antok na ako kagabi. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4.
Ano? Ay, eto lang.
1 and 2 and 3. Ito muna. 4, tas 5, dalawang
Six,
kamay. 7, 8. 1
8.
and, at parang 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5. Hair, 7, 8. 5 hair, 7, 8.
Okay, next.
Next na,
Mm.
7, 8. And then after, 1 and 2.
Ayun na.
1 and
Dito na si
2
Maloy.
and 3 and 4.
and 3 and
4.
4. Okay,
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3
Isa pa, di ka kasi
Ito,
makita eh.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7. And 7, 8. Malapit na matapos. And 7, 8.
Eto muna, from here. 5, 6,
7,
7,
8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wrong ka, wala kang kamay dito.
May kamay.
Naatay na ako.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Sok sa ligo ko paupo naman ako.
3 and 4. Kami di pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. From top.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 8. 1 and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hair. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Parang di ba ta. Any lang siyang ganun.
Okay. So, kill one count.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7, 8. Okay.
From top,
Pwede music muna. Para
search mo. Beat it.
TikTok.
Sa TikTok. Ang tagal lang pick up niya, guys.
Excuse me.
Saan yung wifi dito, no?
Wala. Uy, baka makita yun ah. May ice ba? Sa knife ko.
Hindi umalis si...
Yan.
Hindi umalis si Gwen, di ba? Ay, umalis si...
Guys, wait lang.
Ano ba yan?
Slow lang. Slow lang.
Ikaw yung nagpa-music eh!
Robot pa ako.
Ikaw yung nagpa-music!
5, 6, 7, 8.
1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yan.
7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3.
Di ba mali counting mo eh?
1 and 2 and
Yun.
3 and 4. Tama naman!
Hindi ka din sabi ang ginawa niya.
Wala! Tama yun! 5, 6,
Naghahanap pa siya nakakampi.
Di ba? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
1 and 2 and 3.
and 4.
Mami niya ganito.
Dalawa lang. 1 and 2 and 3
1 and 2
and 3
and 3.
and 4.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ten, 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 ten. Isa pa. 5, 6,
Teng, teng, teng.
ten, ten. Ito. Ten, ten, ten. Ito muna.
Teng, teng.
Cha. Ten, 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 cha. Ten, 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 ten. Cha, cha, cha. Oh, from top ulit. Ito muna, from dito. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ten, 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 cha. Cha, 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 cha.
Perfect.
From top.
Tuloy na, tuloy na.
Oh, tuloy yan.
Hindi ko
7,
na
8.
tapos ang haba
1
naman na sa'yo
and
na yun.
2. Oh, tuloy na sabi. Mabilis, last na to. Last 8 na. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3
1
and
and
4.
2. Ito lang ganda.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
1 and 2
Oh, 1 and 2. Tapos parang igaganon mo lang.
and 3.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
1 and 2
Parang
and
dalawang
3.
kamay. Parang 1
One
and
and
2 and 3 and 4.
And 3 and 4.
And 5
And 5
and a 6
and
and
a 6 and
7, 8,
7, 8, 1.
1.
Wala ko natandaan.
Hindi, mabilis siya pag may music. Pag ano lang, 5, 6,
bagal naman.
bagala natin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2.
Jaja.
1 and 2. Parang tingin ka doon. Parang, para kasi yung goal. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Parang
1 and 2 and 3 and 4
and 5
and 5
and a 6
and a 6 and
10,
10,
10, 10.
Tig.
O yan. Mabilis na to. Last 4 counts na.
1 and 2
And 3 and
and
4.
3 and
4
4
and 5 and a 6 and 7, 8, 1. 1. Isa pa ba? 10, 10, 10. 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. Teng, 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 teng. Teng, teng, jump. Teng, 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 teng. Okay, after nun, ten, 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 ten.
Hindi pa rin tapos.
Okay pa.
Ano extended
Okay pa.
version? Ta, 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 ta.
Yun lang.
Be, 2 square meters na yung meron tayo
Oo,
dito.
kaya, di ba? Ano nga sa natin next na?
Ten, ten, ten.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ta, ta, ta. Ha.
Ah, tag, ha. Tag, tag, tag. Yun lang.
Tag, 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 tag.
Ayun. Tag, tag, tag. Wait lang, pag may music kasi ano siya eh. Ayun na.
Kaya mo na yan.
Ano ba? Papansin. Patugtog karaoke.
Baliw na baliw sa'yo.
Huwag ka ngang epal. Wait lang.
Guys, di pa kami naliligo nila ako.
Bakit ba? Ba't ka nandito? Umalis ka nga! Papatugtog tayo. Papansin to. Ay, wala.
Ate Aya. Sa Ate Aya.
Safe flight and successful world tour for Beanie and
Back. Si Lisa. Alagaan mo yan.
syempre, naka-safety lahat.
Oo. Bye, Lisa. Naka-Stacy ka na.
Kayo pa to dati?
Oo, napull ko yan sa mga album. Bilik din ako. Kasi hindi. Kasi Lisa stan pa din. So, sa'yo yan.
Kain tayo.
Kainin mo na daw yung cake.
Ala, kakakain ko lang ng ice cream. Mamaya sa merienda.
Oh. Hello.
Pwede ka mamili.
Oh, okay, wait. Look guys, my face is maga. My tooth has a problem na naman. It hurts. Anyway, can you not block the light? Okay. Question from @Aji. What's your biggest source of strength whenever you feel pressured? My biggest source of strength when I feel pressured is my dreams and money and my family, of course. Nakakatawa, magaan talaga yung yeah, because wala, mas na-motivate lang ako na parang gagawin ko na lang to kasi ang dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay ko. So to do that, you need money and influence. Okay, next question. @Phantom. How did you learn to drive a motorcycle? Hindi naman siya yung ano, it's just a scooter kind of motorcycle. Hindi siya yung bike talaga, yung may clutch. Although I want to learn how to do that. Yeah, the big bikes. So, I learned because, wala, natuto ko sa Siargao. Tinuruan lang kami, like, you have to be calm. That's why you're not supposed to steer pala the bike with the handle. You're supposed to, like, use your whole, like, your waist and your knees and everything. Pero grabe nakakatakot siya at first kasi ang daming tao sa Siargao na nagdumadaan-daan. Parang there's not really like a good place to practice unless you go like up north. And then, what's next? At the Silent Poet. Since naging surfer girl ka na, ano ka ba? Dati pa akong surfer girl. Plan mo rin bang mag-aral ng freediving? Oh my God, nga pala, nag-surf ako. I was able to catch my own wave na. Diba? It's not easy, ah. Pero yung pag-paddle ko, gano'n ako, gigil na gigil ako. Kasi, diba, you have to like paddle strong to be able to ride the wave.
So, wala akong ilang assistant.
Oh, wala akong assistance. I was able to surf na by myself. And then I'm learning the crosswalk na. Like, you know, walking sa board. Kasi, wala, easy na lang yung nag-ride. Oo. Pero diba mukha rin akong cool. Okay. Ayun, free diving. I wanna learn free diving. Pero first, I wanna get my certification sa scuba diving. Kasi, nag-scuba diving ako pero walang certification. Pero nakaabot na ako siguro mga 50 feet. It's so nice. Like, you get to... I was able to, swim with a turtle. Pero hindi siya nakuha sa camera. Pero yeah, it's super fun. And you can breathe underwater. Nakakatakot kasi free diving because technically, diba, like, you have to have the mindset na you don't need air to stay underwater. And you have to let go of all your air so you can sink. And then you have to slowly go up. Kasi if you go up straight, it's bad for your brain. Kasi papasok yung tawag dun? Carbon dioxide ba? Oxygen? Oxygen ba? Oxygen? Oh, sorry. I don't know. Hindi ako nahuli ng police. Nag-joke lang ako. Nagpa-picture lang sila. Okay. At Merly, how do you usually spend your day when you don't have any activities? I don't. Never. I never have no activities. I always have something to do. Actually, I'm barely in my room. Unless if nagkasakit ako. Pero minsan nga, kung nagkasakit ako, pumunta pa rin akong Tarlac and LU for the charity. I don't know. Pero if I'm really, really sick, then I'll just stay home. Yun lang. Dun lang ako magaan. If given a chance, are we going to see you do diving or surfing in Hawaii? Stop. I want to surf in Hawaii, but I'm not sure if they allow non-locals to surf in certain spots. Siguro dun lang sa mga areas na may surf schools. Last question na. What's one habit or hobby you picked up while resting? While resting? What is rest? What is rest? Gano'ng kalala sunburn mo after sure? Okay, this time, hindi ganun kalala kasi I was able to put sunscreen on. And tsaka sa morning lang ako, early morning, like 6 a.m. ako nagsasurf till 8:30. And then, I don't surf na sa afternoon kasi very low tide. So medyo mahirap mag-surf ng ganon. And yeah, that's it. I will pass the phone. My message from the world tour. Oh, my message is, guys, we're gonna be gone again in the Philippines. So let's all be peaceful and kind, and I hope you can support us in everything we do. As a maga person, wish me luck at sana mawala na ito. Ang sakit din eh. Hilong-hilo ka na. Ade, mas mahilo ka na ulit. Okay, I'm gonna pass the phone to Aikola.
Ay!
No smoking.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa training rehearsals dito sa LA. Ha?
Lumilipad na naman ang isip ko.
Andito. And you. It's Puka and Pookie. Puka and Pookie. Where did you get this? From somewhere.
It's Gandara, my face is so plakada. Okay, let's take over. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours.
Nagkaon ka na lang. Nagkaon na, busog na kaayo ko. Nabusog sa ko sa mga story niya.
Sama-sama. Ba't ka sama-sama din ka nga? Ang baho ng hininga mo. Yak! Ano ba? Papansin. Patugtog karaoke.
Di pa pala ako tapos. Sige. Package ba yung tattoo? Hindi, ang mahal nun ha. Pinatattoo namin yung Nishi. Nasabay kami ni Nishi na pinatattoo. Lah! Sunod. Umami na ako. Hindi. Ano yun? Mahal nun sa US namin yung pinaano. Mahal nun. Nakamagkano ako dun. Ito lang, sunflower lang. Kamagkano ko, nagbigay pa ako tip. Nako, hindi lang yan. Meron ako dito, guys. Charis, hindi ko ipapakita. Hanapin nyo na lang kung mahagilap nyo. Swimsuit trending, itatapon ko yun. Alam mo, hilig nyo makahanap ng ano, itatapon ko na yun kasi ano siya pattern siya na damit. So, mabilis siyang ipatatapon ko na ulit siya.